What if you could take a booking, secure the payment, and only charge the guest once you're ready? That's exactly what Stripe Payment Authorization lets you do. Hi, I'm Valerie from MotoPress, and in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set up and use Stripe Authorize Capture workflow in Hotel Booking 6.0. If you want the full breakdown, every detail, every scenario, we have a complete tutorial on our channel, link in the description. But if you're here for the essentials, let's get into it. So, how does this work? Normally, when a guest pays online, the charge happens immediately. With Stripe Payment Authorization, you split that into steps. First, you authorize the payment. The funds are verified and held on the guest card. Then you capture it later, normally when you're ready. The guest sees the amount blocked on their card, and you can see it in the plugin and in Stripe. But nothing actually moves to you until you capture it. Okay, now let's enable it. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Accommodation, then Settings. Under the General tab, make sure your confirmation mode is set to Upon Payment. Now go to the Payment Gateways tab and select Stripe. Scroll down to find the Charging Method option. By default, it's set to Automatic. The guest gets charged immediately. Switch it to Manual. That's the Authorize and Capture mode. You authorize the payment at checkout and charge later, either via the plugin or directly in Stripe. And if you don't capture in time, Stripe releases the funds automatically, usually within 7 days. One thing to note, payment methods that don't support manual charging won't show up at checkout. Please keep that in mind when choosing which payment methods to offer. Save your changes and you're set. Now let's see it in action. After a guest completes checkout, their booking shows up as pending admin and the payment status is on hold. In your payment history menu, authorized payments are marked in red as awaiting charge. You can filter by on hold to see them all at once. And in Stripe, they appear as uncaptured. To manage a payment, open it from the Payment History menu. Scroll down to the Reserved Funds section. You'll see the amount held, the date the hold was placed, reserved on, and the deadline to capture it, reserved till. Miss the deadline and Stripe releases the funds automatically. The exact window depends on the payment method, around 7 days for cards, 10 days for PayPal, up to 30 days for Affirm. From here, you have two options. Click Charge Now to capture the payment. The status moves from on hold to completed, and in Stripe it shows as Succeed. Or click Return Funds to release the hold. Just note, the booking won't cancel automatically, so you'll need to do that manually. A quick word on when Stripe Payment Authorization actually makes sense. It's great if you list your property on multiple platforms and need to verify availability before charging. It helps with fraud protection. You confirm the guest has valid funds before committing, and it's useful for hotel-style workflows where you review bookings manually. before finalizing payment. Also, not all payment methods support this. Cards, PayPal, Klarna, Afterpay, Cash App Pay, and Affirm all work. ACH and Ideal don't. So, it's best to stick to supported methods when you're running manual charge mode. That's the quick start version. For the full guide, including how to cancel payments in Stripe, handle booking statuses, and see what your guests receive by email, check out the complete tutorial linked in the description. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more hotel booking tips, and don't forget to click the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.